Let me tell you a story about 4 old men who went riding their big adventure bikes in the sand. He said he about went down. Frank did, right there where you did. And 2 cars was coming in the opposite direction. We had to pull off in the grass. Timmy's down.
He might be down back there too.
About deep sand, there's a little wiggle if y'all can see that on camera. But all right, Timmy's throwing together some hamburgers for us. You can see. What can you do? That's right. Heck yeah. 2 tears in a bucket, I guess. So. Finally, the time has come for our first multiple day trip of 2023. If you can't tell, I'm so freaking excited. But first, we got to welcome Timmy back to the channel, and Frank from One Old Man Riding, and William, aka Doc 650, to South Carolina Grumpy style. And we'll do so by this. Hey, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. It's 27 degrees, but who cares? Let's welcome them in the right way, and let's get this ride started. Let's go, baby! Alright, everybody's made it. Some of y'all know him, some of y'all don't. This is Frank from One Old Man Riding, William, Doc 650, and look who's finally back.
Back again.
Timmy!
Return of Timmy.
Oh shit, Timmy.
It's been a while.
Thank goodness.
So
we're excited. Today we're gonna do some riding on the S.C.A.R, making our way to the 2023 Palmetto ADV Rally. Don't know how far we're gonna get. We'll just play it by ear, see how many times we drop the bike in the sand. We're all overloaded probably. Let's go have some fun. We'll talk to y'all more on camera.
Yeah, probably.
Probably, definitely. Let's put it that way.
27 degrees too, by the way.
Yeah, 27 degrees. Hey, but we ain't working. We living. Let's get after it. All right, we off. I won't film too much on road like I always do. But when we get to some good dirt, we'll see what happens. We'll ride a little bit of gravel today, and then we'll mix into sand somewhere around Edgefield. And our plan is to make it to Barnwell State Park, I think. So we'll see what happens. See if we don't freeze to death. Let's get on some dirt. The GoPro inside of a media mod can tend to be a piece of shit and lose audio, so I had to do a voiceover here. But we're just getting on to the South Carolina Adventure Route, also known as the S.C.A.R, in Abbeville County. We could smell the dew on the trees and the deer shitting in the woods, so we knew it was going to be a lovely day. Except Timmy's bike was having a little bit of an issue. We think it had something to do with fuel delivery. We're still not sure. We pulled over and took a look at it, never figured it out. But the journey must continue. Now back to real-time audio. All right, we're making our way along still. Timmy had a little bit of bike troubles, or having a little bit of bike troubles.
Damn it.
Yeah, this is part of our luck, I guess, but he's gonna try to ride it, so we should still be good. And Doc here, look at him all bloodied up.
Frank hit me. I was throwing rocks with my tires at him.
See, Frank, what you gonna do?
He deserves it. He really does.
So we hammering away, and hopefully we'll be on some sand soon. And hopefully we won't have any more troubles. So let's see. Who knows? Who knows with us anymore? We're still on the South Carolina Adventure route, of course. Now we're making our way. I think we're almost to McCormick. Not too far away. The route really changes when you get to Edgefield. That's when you start hitting more sand. Me and Tim was just talking about having dinner with Frank and William last night. Made us feel like dudes. It's been a while. It's been a while since we've been real men. And this weekend, for 5 days, it's all about being a dude, a man, a boy, a kid, whatever. Whatever it comes to be is what we're gonna do. So this weekend is definitely about hammering the shit out of everything we do. Because it's been a while, stress, anxiety, all that stuff builds up. Well, this weekend, it's out the window. We're gonna hammer down, hammer down, hammer down. I don't care. I'm doing it. We're gonna be dudes. Dudes for 5 days. Nothing but dudes. Dude, freedom, freedom, baby. Last time me and Timmy was down here, they was control burning this area. And if y'all explain to me in the comments, how do you control burn something when you're not even in here anymore? And it's all smoky and just sitting there burning still. And nobody's out here, not that I see. Smells like burning wood.
Look at Campfire.
Oh, good old campfire. Can't wait for that. We just now went through a construction zone on the road, and there was a one lane blocked off. The guy told us, gave us a thumbs up, told us we can go. As soon as we start to go down the road, 2 cars was coming the opposite direction. We had to pull off in the grass to keep from getting head-on collision. So whoever you are, traffic workers,
Right.
do your goddamn job, right? Because motorcycles are dangerous enough. Like got us hit by cars.
Use those walkie-talkies.
But anyway, we almost to Edgefield, I think. Shouldn't be too far away.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
What'd you do?
I went on top of that hill and fucking got all fucked up.
Well, Timmy almost crashed.
I almost crashed.
Oh god. Yeah, we almost to Edgefield. We'll take a little break there. Pretty cool little town, we'll show you. Right after Edgefield, sand, baby, sand.
I'm riding sloppy.
So,
I'm heavy too.
yeah. So we're making our way. All right, we made it to Edgefield. Made it to lovely McDonald's. You know, get a little food in the belly. Still making our way along, about to hit some sand, which should be interesting for everybody with overloaded bikes. Timmy's bike is still giving a little bit of problems, but you see how we loaded up a little bit. I never did give y'all a shot of the bike. So Frank's bike here is pretty loaded. So we're gonna see how the sand treats us. There's Doc over there getting ready. So yeah, still making our way along. See what happens. That's all we can do. What you gonna think about the sand, Frank?
I'm looking forward to the sand. I may not 15 minutes in, but I'm looking forward to it right now.
Give it hell, see what happens. Let me tell you a story about 4 old men who went riding in their big adventure bikes in the sand. They dropped them all day, and that's how they became the Grumpy Bunch. The Grumpy Bunch. The Grumpy Bunch.
That's how we
Yeah.
became the Grumpy Bunch.
The Grumpy Bunch. Or is it Peachtrees?
I think they're Peachtrees. I wouldn't.
Hey, y'all know in the comments them Peachtrees? Because I don't know. I think they are, but I'm not sure. Y'all, this is kind of deeper sand, but not real deep yet. We ain't too far away from the real deep stuff. They graded all this and packed it down, so it's not quite as bad, but it feels still a little wiggle in there.
He say anything about how he felt about the sand so far?
He said he about went down. Frank did right there where you did. In the beginning of it, where it was real deep.
Yeah.
I said, yeah, I hit the throttle, my bike went nowhere. I didn't realize it was as deep as it was. So if y'all ain't never rode the South Carolina Adventure Route, definitely give it a try. It's pretty interesting. Chris Cox and who all his whole team did a good job making this route. It's fun.
They really did, actually.
Yeah, it's our second time doing this part, but we're gonna ride the southeast alternate this time and mix it up a little bit. It's supposed to be really sandy. We'll get on it here in just a little bit. So we ain't hit the deep stuff yet. Maybe me and Timmy has forgotten that when our very first trip on this, it was we only had the bikes for a couple months, so maybe we thought it was deeper than what it is. I don't know. I'm hoping we hit deeper sand, because I can't lie to Doc and Frank about deep sand. There's a little wiggle if y'all can see that on camera, but can't lie to the man about not having deep sand. Makes me feel bad. Still making our way along. The sand wasn't quite as deep as I remember. Me and Timmy either one. So I might have lied to Frank and William. Who knows? But here's what the sand looks like. It's not very, let's see, kick it up there. But it is a little bit sandy. Frank and them's enjoying it. I'm enjoying it.
It's been great.
Yep.
It really has.
It's been awesome.
Yep. Timmy's enjoying it because his bike's been running a little kind of funny, but what can you do? That's right. Who cares? 2 tears in the bucket, I guess. So we still making it almost at our campground. Get a little more riding footage. See what tonight brings. If y'all like farmland of America, you'll love the southeast alternate route, because it's been through a lot of it so far. It's all pretty down here if you can look at that. A little sandy, not too deep. Pretty though. Cool houses, cool land, cool trail, cool weekend. Gotta love it. Why do you adventure bike?
It's gonna be a lot of fun, man.
Yeah.
lot of fun.
Why do y'all adventure bike? Because we know we do it to enjoy ourselves, to have a little bit of challenge. Got to get out here and live it up. I hit a little bit of deeper stuff, y'all. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh. I don't know which way we got to go, bro. TV's down. Don't try to lift it. I got you. Just don't worry about it. Frank's behind there too. Timmy's down.
He might be down back there too.
Oh shit, yeah, Frank might have failed too. This is part of riding, y'all. Venture, baby. We know we had to get some deep sand one time. Look, I want to get y'all on film. Like, look at that. Look right there, look how deep that is. GoPro ain't gonna do it no justice, but it's deep. Finally, here comes Frank. Hold on, Timmy, we got you.
Okay.
Getting Frank on the camera. There's Frank coming. There we go. Help Timmy lift this thing. We got Timmy back uprighted, and still making our way along as column's going out. Got a little far back there. That's what that noise is, but still making it. We're in a good cotton field now. Sand ain't quite as deep. You can see that here. Just got that little deep patch, but at least we hit deep sand today. Shouldn't have too much more further to ride. We'll be at our campground for the night, I think, by the looks of it anyway. So the journey continues. Alright, I tried to get helmet cam footage actually pulling into the state park we're staying at, but obviously the camera wasn't cut on because it's in a god dang media mod and it sucks sometimes. So, but we made it to Barnwell State Park. Everybody's setting up. Had a great day of riding. We'll see what Timmy's got in store to cook for us on the old Grumpy grill. Get to eating. You see our setup here? Tent set up. Frank and Doc's both going to stay on our site too. What do you think of the day? Is it good?
Amazing, man. Best day I've had in a long time, probably ever.
Awesome.
Amazing.
Hell yeah.
Timmy liked it. He's back for a first ride for a long time, so he's back. What'd you think of it, Frank?
It was well worth 1,020 miles to come down and do this ride. It was the fantastic time all day long.
So if y'all, probably a lot of you do, but if you don't, give Frank at One Old Man Riding a sub, because he's hardcore as shit. So I'll tell you more about that later. We got another moto neighbor over there. He'll be coming and join us later. Hey, buddy. So, yeah, gonna be doing it good. So we'll get back with you in a little bit, get to cooking. So, all right, Timmy's throwing together some hamburgers for us. You can see right there. If you had smell on YouTube, they need to add that button, the smell button. They smell delicious, of course. As always, Timmy coming through, clutch, feeding us. Hey, since Frank says I don't never help, I do bring some stuff. I bring the easy stuff to do, which is baked beans. Simple. But you got to feed Frank.
I brought nothing.
Frank was all about the food. He rode 1,000 miles from New York to South Carolina just to eat the food. Yeah, he just wanted to eat. Doc
came for the beer.
Yeah, the beer and the food, whatever. And we met Duke today on the trail. Well, we met him actually at the campground, but he's gonna do some riding with us tomorrow. So now we got another rider. It's all more the merrier, I guess.
Yeah, more the merrier.
So, finish cooking, get eating. Of course, we'll give you a taste test, because hell, you can't do it without it. I do the taste test all the time. I eat this food a lot. I enjoy it, trust me. Timmy does a great job. I'm glad he's back and camping with us. Well, I'm actually camping for the first time too, so I'm glad we're back out here doing it. So we're gonna give the honors to William, aka Doc 650, to do the taste test. See what he thinks.
No, it's good, man. It's really good. You're a chef, man.
I mean, for right now, what we're doing is all you're gonna get.
I'm gonna eat the whole thing.
So it's good. And he's gonna eat some beans too. Trust me. You can get some of them on there.
That's why we're in separate tents. That's a good thing.
Hell yeah. I don't know if Frank's tasted it yet. Frank, what you think of it? You tasted it. You don't have to eat on camera, but
I'm already in. It's fantastic.
So there you go. So yeah,
Good
food as always. We're gonna get to eating, and as you can see, somebody was kind enough to drop off tons of wood for us.
Oh, that was awesome.
So we're gonna have a huge fire, sit around and shoot the shit. Oh, there you go. You're gonna get to eat now. All right, it's gonna get too dark to film. We had a great day. We got an awesome campfire because of the free wood somebody dropped off for us that we did not get on film because I didn't want to evade the guy's privacy. But we're gonna sit around and chill,
Your probably legs are a little bigger.
talk about who knows what, get some good rest, and tomorrow continue our adventure on to the Palmetto ADV Rally. So as always, appreciate y'all watching, and if you haven't yet, hammer the shit out of that subscribe button and that notification bell. We'll see y'all in the next one.
time it affects you.
That's deep. Now this is what I find interesting, the deeper stuff. That's deep stuff with no winded. All right, we made it into the spot, and I'm absolutely freaking blown away. The S.C.A.R route creator, which is an awesome route. This is Chris Cox. On the Island of Misfit Toys, we had another person join the shit show here.